Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have another special unboxing for you guys, and this is of the ThruNite, and it's actually this device called the ThruNite T1 Flashlight. And of course ThruNite and their team were kind enough to send me over this product for review. So of course as always guys, if you have any products that you'd like to be featured on channel, you can always check out the contact page on YouTube or go over to the website and use the contact form. Alright, and of course guys, we're gonna go straight into this review and unboxing of this product. And of course it comes in this unassuming box, and it says ThruNite right here, and it says if you buy from their website, which is ThruNite.com, you do get a 5% discount, and that's a great saving. So in case you're in the field for something like this product or flashlight, you can actually check it out. It comes sealed with this plastic rubberized pan, and you can see here it says ThruNite, guiding you through the night. And I can also attest that ThruNite also produces power banks and so on for your smartphone. We have also reviewed products like from them before, and this is the latest of their product. Of course you can see a quick example of the product right here, and it says the ThruNite T1, and of course around here you do see more information, and of course it gives you ThruNite, the product information, and a scannable barcode. Basically the same thing through and through. I'm just gonna slide this off. I like the minimalistic packaging, and of course the cardboard, everything is simple. It opens up quite nicely, and as you can see here guys, this is the product itself. I was actually thinking that it was larger, but now that I opened the box, it's actually quite nimble and minimal. Right, so this is what the product looks like here. It comes in this great packaging with this foam to protect it while it's being transported. And of course I'll just remove. Wow. And of course it's quite small, enough to fit in the palm of your hands. And of course there's a weight to it, and I can tell right away that this is made out of a sturdy metal. Quite nice. You can actually slip this into a pocket, place it into a bag, and so on and so forth. I can tell that just by holding it in the hand right here. Next we're going to look at what's inside otherwise. Here we have a few things. We have this right here, which I'm not sure, feels like a hook of some sort. I'm not sure what this is for, but I'm sure I'll find out later on. But let's just check it out guys, and just fish this out of the bag. There you go. It's a hook, and I think this might be affixed to the device and allow you to clip this onto your pocket or somewhere like that. I'm going to put this aside for time being. And of course here we have the product guide for the T1, and as it says here guys, it says T1 ThruNite, and I'm going to open this up. It comes in various languages. It gives you a breakdown of the product, and you can see that all major languages are covered. And of course I'll look at this later on. Over here we have of course the welcome letter. It says, hello, thank you for your order of ThruNite. Hope you love and have a good experience with our product. And of course they give you their email and so on. That's always nice to see manufacturers pay such detail and take the time to actually introduce themselves. So we'll put this aside in case you have any issues and so on. Alright, over here we have this cool hook or suspendable attach mechanism to place onto your flashlight. Again, we do have the charging cable. It's micro USB. Alright, and that's it. So we're gonna put all of these aside. Oh, and I almost missed this one guys. There's this small hook looking thing right here that basically looks like a cover for a USB. So I'm gonna put that aside as well, and we're gonna look at the product itself. And here we go guys. Alright guys, here's the product itself, and I must say it's quite nimble, small, and of course it's made out of a heavy metal. You will notice it in hand. There's the power button right here, and of course there's the outer covering. There's the USB cover right here, and this for charging, so simply remove. And once you remove, you can see the charge port right in there to plug in and charge this device. Next, let's look at it says ThruNite T1, and that's the name of the product, clearly written, and it has this nice LED towards the center here, and the LED itself has this nice yellow color, and the outer surface is reflective, and there's a glass covering right here. The back is nothing at all, and of course let me just test. Alright, seems that it needs charging out the box, but of course I must say it's quite nice. I can use this for several purposes, including to guide myself through the dark, and if I wanted to as well, I could use this if I'm working in small spaces to see and so on. I can guess already that the battery is inside, so what I'm going to do is just check out the manual, see what's what, and actually fit this thing up, and I'll be back in a few seconds. Alright guys, this is the battery mechanism. I've removed it. The tip is magnetic, so do watch out for that. This is the battery. It says 1100 milliamp hours, gives the voltage at 3.7 volts and so on. You can read the information here. You can pause at any time, and that's the cell that comes within the device. Next, you can check out here, and this is the LED. Alright guys, just some quick notes as to the functionality. I do advise that you pause, and once you pause you can always read this technical section here. Again, you can actually pause again to read the information on operating the device. Alright, there's some key features here. Number one, this device is waterproof. It's IPX8 to 2 meters, and of course it has an impact resistance of 1.5 meters, intensity 2600 CD max, and of course distance 102 meters max. And the output brightness, it can produce 1500 lumens in turbo mode, 685 lumens in high, infinity high, infinity low 15 lumens, Firefly 1 lumen, strobes 700 lumens, and so on. Alright guys, it gives you the time as well. Run time for turbo, it's 3 minutes to plus 80 minutes, something like that. 80 minutes, 36 hours in infinity, and Firefly can run for 14 days. Strobe can go on for 120 minutes. Alright, so you can also pause, read over that information right here. Alright, so again, you can also pause and read the warnings and so on. For safety purposes guys, make sure you do not shine this directly into your eyes, as it does get very bright. Alright, let's see here. It's the middle of the day, but I'm going to show you how bright this thing can get. And you can see here, notice the camera instantly adjusts despite it being a nicely lit room with all the windows open. The light was able to easily cause the entire focus of the camera to just focus. Simply press once to have the light come on, and then of course press, single press, and of course it's off. So one press on, single press off, and that's quite easy. Alright, so let's go again guys. I'm going to turn on to switch between infinity high and infinity low, so just turn on as normal, and I'm going to long press, and infinity high, infinity low, and of course you can switch between infinity low, infinity high, and you achieve that by long pressing. One click as usual, and the device turns off. Remember guys that if you press for longer, it's gonna cause greater amount of power to be drained, so bear that in mind as you turn this on and off. Alright, to get Firefly, just simply press for 1 second, and of course Firefly produces little amount of light. And again, I'm just going to turn this off. One press, so just hold for a second while it's off to get Firefly. It produces a little bit of light, and of course it will use less power. Overall it is the least draining, so just hold for a second, and there you go. That's called Firefly. One press and you're off. Alright, so turbo mode is activated by double pressing from any mode that includes on and off. So check this out, and that's turbo, very intense. Off. So let's try this while it's on, switch into turbo, double press, and it's very intense. One click and off. So that's turbo by double pressing quick successions in any mode. Next guys, I'm going to demonstrate strobe. So strobe is activated by triple pressing, All right, and of course I apologize, this might cause seizures, so just be careful when strobe can be used for emergencies and so on. So as you can see guys, this is a full functioning flashlight. I would say it's up there with most tactical flashlights, although it's in a very compact and highly portable format. And of course it's premium built, and I like this product very much. I'd advise that if you purchase this, you purchase it from ThruNite's website. They do give a 5% discount. All right, and of course guys, you can see that a lot of thought was placed into this device. From the build quality of the material, I can tell you the paint job is very solid. It doesn't scratch easily. You do get a lot of accessories that come straight out of the box, and of course I could attach this nice loop through the loop right here, and of course it will give me a nice string to hold on to. I could also replace the USB charge port here to this one right here, and of course guys, I can attach this nice hook, and of course this will attach to the pocket. What I like about this cool flashlight is that you can actually draw on it in a pinch. It's waterproof, meaning it's can be carried on in various circumstances, and of course the battery that's included is a very nice amperage. You can store a lot of power, and overall this flashlight should last you very long. Worst case scenario, the battery does go and you would have to change this out, but of course guys, overall this nice flashlight is well worth it. I would say definitely check it out. You could give this to someone as a present. Females, you can carry this along in your bag. It fits in almost any situation. You can tuck it into a pocket, you choose. Alright guys, so this has been another blog tech tips, and we have just checked out the ThruNite T1, a highly recommended product. I want to thank the guys over at ThruNite again for sending over this product for review. Alright guys, Credit Gunner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time guys. Bye.